Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, the cold air is settling in now and the snow is falling, and we expect temperatures mostly to stay upper 20s to about 30 degrees as we go through the evening. Just a very slow drop off. Snow will continue to come down for most of the evening, although get a little bit lighter, I think, later on this evening after about 8 or 9 o'clock. But we still expect an inch or two of accumulation down here in the Dayton area, and there could even be a little bit more than that southeast of us down toward Clinton County, maybe the southeastern part of Greene County and eastern Warren County by the time we get a little past midnight. So watch out also now that the sun's only about 20 minutes from going down, and the fact that temperatures are going below freezing, bridges and overpasses could easily ice up out there if they're untreated. And even later tonight, the other roads could develop some patches of ice because we're going to see a shot of Arctic air come in late tonight. Upper teens expected tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock with 23 degrees at noon and 25 at 5. And then later in the morning and into the early to mid-afternoon, even some scattered snow showers that could produce some small additional accumulations. So watch out for those slick areas tonight with an inch or two of snow. Gusty winds on Saturday. Highs only in the 20s, wind chills in the afternoon in the teens, even starting in the single digits in the morning. And then scattered snow showers, less than an inch of additional accumulation on Saturday. But we're back to increasing sunshine Sunday afternoon, gusty winds, and not as cold as temperatures return to the 40s. You can watch the snow fall this afternoon on the Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera time lapse. And the ground continues to get wider and wider up there on the north side of town, but still just wet roadways on I-75. But as I mentioned, later this evening, even these spots could develop some patches of ice. The darker blue, the heavier snow, and that is showing up from around Troy through Eaton, back down into southeastern Indiana. Even this area is showing mixed precipitation and rain. It's generally just plain old snow now out into Greene County because we have snow, even moderate to heavy snow, pushing up into southeastern Indiana, northern Kentucky, and into Cincinnati. Bands of snow extend back to the west. These will continue to move northeast into our area this evening, and gradually this whole area shifts to the southeast late this evening and into the overnight hours. Rain spreading up into southern Ohio. This area under a winter storm warning, and right now temperatures there are in the 60s, but 3 to 5, maybe even 6 inches of snow possible tonight and into tomorrow morning over southeastern Ohio down into West Virginia. Here's the Arctic air. This is up near Chicago, the leading edge of it. That'll push into our area tonight. Our snow model, you can see kicking out about 1 to 2 inches of snow, lesser amounts northwest of us in our northwest counties. You're through the worst of the snow, but some snow showers off of Lake Michigan tomorrow may add some small accumulation. Wind gusts tonight, 15 to 25 miles per hour. But then tomorrow, we're going to see those winds really kick up, gusts 30 to 35, even some late night blowing and drifting snow could be a problem. Lows tonight expected to drop down mid to upper teens north, southern part of the Miami Valley. We're expecting upper teens for the nighttime lows, and highs tomorrow not expected to get out of the 20s. It's going to be a pretty cold day out there. Let's check out that forecast tonight. You're going to see snow 1 to 2 inches, much colder, increasing winds later tonight, and also after midnight some flurries. Mixed clouds and sunshine tomorrow. Scattered snow showers under an inch of accumulation with a high of 25, gusts 35 miles per hour. Windy on Sunday up to 44. Here come the 50s back Monday and Tuesday, into the 60s after that.